6 political parties, including BJP, HSP-DP, NPP, Congress, VPP, and an independent candidate gathered at Rambrai for a public meeting as part of their election campaign for the Rambrai-Jirngam constituency. During the rally, Kimfa Sydney Marbanyang from NPP, KP Pangyang from HSP-DP, Bonnie Lingdo from VPP, Dominic Watlang from BJP, and independent candidate Lorshai Kharbani addressed the public. Bor Manding Nonglang from Congress was unable to attend but sent a message through JTS Thongni, former MDC of the constituency.
Nice job. Ya kita sampai kami jom kita sen. Kita saya orang bakal kita sen. Bagai terpagi pi hagai kita kita. Ay kita sana berpura. Ya kita MVP nama lain lagi kita sen hagai semua doktor.
Hamza kan dia ribu saya ribu. Saya ki start jadi. Saya ki start saya ki start university. Bakal ni lagi muda. Ya kabor berkati ni datang ke HSPDP hagi lam jom shopping. Dari ni pada.
Independent lembut yang baru ke menteri, nama parti independent parti lain. Hoi, ke district consolidation berbaik. Ya kan, erti kesalahan kita siap pada menteri kita. Hayo ahad ni semua batin kan so. Ya kata, dia kan rembang dia akan siap beri.
Leaders of the Darbar's